So if let's say you can give us a time tomorrow, like what time you're coming or that, huh? Like because the baby is feeding every 2 hourly, so
Yeah.
it's 8, 10, 12 like that. So you try to come odd hours, then you can do
Okay.
kangaroo care.
Oh, I see. Yep.
But you are usually after kangaroo care, the baby put on weight even better. Then let the baby learn your smell and then your voice and your heartbeat. Then when you are ready to do breastfeeding, like your baby better, it's easier.
Yeah, I see.
Then usually after feeding, the first hour we also cannot do because some baby sensitive can
Vomit.
vomit.
I see. So before that.
If you can come during odd hours, better lah.
Yep.
I try to do in the daytime. Then when you come, kangaroo care, you get those like this button here one.
Yeah, yesterday nurse in the NICU told me, and I just read. But then today I have something to
Never
do.
mind,
so-
it's okay, no hurry because
Yeah.
he just let him get settled down here first.
I see.
It's a new place ma. Let him get settled down,
Yeah.
and then we can do the kangaroo care lah.
Oh.
Even if he doesn't breastfeed now because he's still small,
Yeah.
it's okay. Can do kangaroo care.
I see.
Can do skin to skin first. If he wants, you can just let him suck on your breast, and then it's just to practice.
Okay.
Some baby when we start all this kangaroo care, all this